To swap your AAFCU debit or credit card with CardSwap, first log into your account through AAFCU's online banking. To do this, visit aafcu.com and click the yellow login button located in the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once logged in, locate and click on the button titled CardSwap. This button is on the blue navigation bar on the left side of your screen. You will see a page listing your current debit or credit card, your linked accounts, and several other options. Click the CardSwap button. To swap your AAFCU debit or credit card, simply input the information for the AAFCU card you would like to swap in the corresponding boxes and click the blue Verify Card button located in the bottom right corner. You will receive a notification that your card has been verified, and a message will display near the top of your screen indicating your card has been successfully changed. Once this is complete, you will return to the CardSwap homepage. If you would like to swap your accounts back to a previously linked card, simply click the Swap Card button once again and select the card you would like to return to. You may also add another linked card from this screen. You are now free to enjoy the convenience of CardSwap.